So how I got the freelance offer of building the e-commerce application which cost of around the 1 lakh to the 3 lakh rupees. And to understand the whole context of the offer, I have to go back in the first year of college, and you must listen this video till the end, because in the last you will get understood that how all the dots get connected and how you can get the bigger opportunities the way you never expected in the life. So I started the Android app development in the first year of college, and it's been around the 3 years. And in my class around there were 65 students, and out of that I was only the one person who was doing the Android app development. I used to think like, am I doing something wrong? Why all the peoples are doing the web development and I'm only the one choosing a different path? So after brainstorming a lot and asking from the other peoples that why they are doing the web development, then I got the few answers, and I got understood from those answers that mobile app development is literally harder than the web development. So that's why most of the peoples take the step back to get into this field. And I also realized that the mobile app development is harder than the web development because there are the few reasons behind it. The first reason I think is the requirement of the specific laptop, which must have at least the 8 GB RAM and the good processor. So because Android Studio is a heavy software, we all know about that. And the second reason I think that is the lot of the patience is required in the Android development, because a Gradle build itself takes a lot of time to build the project, and if you don't have the proper guidance, if you get stuck in the any error, it itself take a 2 to 3 days to solve that particular error. So many people just leave that hustle in the middle and don't want to do the app development because of they faces a lot of the errors. And the third reason which I think that if you want to do the cross platform development, then you require a Mac laptop to test the iOS app, and we all know that Mac laptops are so costly. But here you get some benefit also, that you get paid more than the web developers, and that was the motivation factor for me. Obviously it gives me the dopamine of thoughts that I'm doing something different. So in this way I built around the 50 plus projects in the college, and I had the habit of showing that application, those all of the application, all of the project that I built to the others. Every time whenever I make a something new application, I used to show to my friends and a classmate, and their reactions will be like very surprising because nobody was building application at that point of time. So that's how the people started offering me to join their teams of hackathon, and I started getting the small freelancing offers, and also they want me to join their mini projects and the major projects. So I getting started popular, and so basically I was started knowing as a app developer in my class, and also in the other classes people started knowing me for my app development skills. So this becomes one of the biggest factor that recently on the 12th Feb 2025 I got a call from my one of the closest friend. He was in my team of the mini and major project. He gave me the freelance project, and he told me that his close relatives want an app for their shopping store which they have started recently, and he told his relatives that I know a person who can build the e-commerce app. So that's how he referred me and reached out to me that Shivam, can you build the application, a full stack e-commerce application, and how much does it cost if you build it? Then I explained the whole process, that there are the phases of the app development. In the first phase we will release the first version with the basic requirement features, so that cost of around the 25 to 30,000 rupees. And before that we need a prototype of app. If you have that prototype, then fine. If you don't have, then I will make and will show you the first version of app, that how it will look like, and for that the charges will be the extra. So this is the process of building the whole application from prototyping to the basic features. Will cost up around the 1 lakh to the 1.5 lakh, and the charges will increases with the maintenance and adding up the multiple features with the time. So I explained everything from the scratch, that how I build the application for them. So here the conclusion, if you observe me from the first year of college to getting this offer, one thing you will get notice, that how I did popularize myself, my skill, by showing the app to my classmates and the friends. So that was the biggest factor, that how I got this offer from word of mouth. So if you have just started in the college, then build in a public, show to the other people that what you have built, to your friends, to your classmates and your relatives. Definitely you will get a multiple opportunity only from the word of mouth. So start building, and always remember this thing. So now you might able to understand that how all the dots get connected and how I got this offer. So let me know in the comment section that what you have learned from this video, and also don't forget to hit a like and subscribe button if you get any value out of this video.